Hi friends, hope you are enjoying all, and this is my third video I'm going to talk to you, and I hope you have enjoyed two earlier videos. This video is going to change your life like anything, friends. Please believe me. I am going to talk about magic of compounding, and along with that I will be talking about logic of compounding, and this is going to create miracles in your mind, and you are going to be the richest person of India as well as of the world in another 5, 10, 15 years. Friends, मुझे यकीन है कि आप जब ये वीडियो ख़त्म होगी और जब आप सोचेंगे कि काश इस मैजिक ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग के बारे में मुझे 10 साल पहले क्यों नहीं पता हुआ था। यस, दैट इज़ द गारंटी आई एम गिविंग टू यू। फ्रेंड्स, मेरे चैनल का नाम है मैजिक ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग, और उसके साथ में लॉजिक ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग को भी इंक्लूड करके आप लोगों के लिए फ्री ट्रेनिंग सेशंस भी ले रहा हूँ। बट लेट अस नॉट गो इनटू दैट, लेट अस कम बैक डायरेक्टली टू मैजिक ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग। फ्रेंड्स, ये मैजिक ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग ऐसा वर्ड है जिसे वॉरेन बफेट द रिचेस्ट पर्सन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ने कहा था कि इट इज वन ऑफ द एथ वंडर, आठवां अजूबा इस दुनिया का है। एंड व्हेन आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट लॉजिक ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग, your belief system will start believing that yes, there is lot of value in this magic and logic of compounding. Friends, आपके पास अगर 1 लाख रुपए है और आपने उसे इन्वेस्ट किया है, एंड इफ इट इज ग्रोइंग एट 8%, डाउन द लाइन 10 ईयर्स आपको जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा, अगर वही 15% के रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट से अगर ग्रो हुआ है तो उसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा, दोनों में इंटायर डिफरेंट रिजल्ट आपको फील होगा। बट व्हेन द सेम विल कंपाउंड एट द रेट ऑफ 20%, योर रिजल्ट विल बी alarmingly very much high. And when the same will grow at 25%, the result will be phenomenal. And when you will look into the figures which I am going to show you just within 2-3 minutes, you will start thinking, wow, kya baat hai. But that will not end the story here. You should know how to grow your capital at that high rate of 20%, 25%, or even 30%. And friends, I am a trainer, I am a trader, I am an investor, and I know the clue, the methods, and in my last two videos I have told you that how you can grow your capital by way of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the books you have looked into. So I'm not going into that, but if you want to look into, go back to my two videos and look into that. Please subscribe also. Please ask your friends to look into. And friends, let us go and talk about magic of compounding. फ्रेंड्स, क्या होता है अगर 1 लाख रुपए आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, इफ इट इज ग्रोइंग एट 8% एंड इफ इट इज ग्रोइंग एट 15%, दोनों में डिफरेंस ये है कि 15% वाला जो ग्रोथ होगा ना, वो ट्रिपल इफेक्ट लाएगा, 4 टाइम इफेक्ट लाएगा। वही अगर 20% वाला होगा ना, तो वो 15 टाइम्स, 20 टाइम्स का इफेक्ट लाएगा, विच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू। सो फ्रेंड्स, आप अपने कमर को कस लो, बैठ जाओ एंड एंजॉय द वीडियो। सो फ्रेंड्स, मैजिक जो है ना, रियली मैजिक है ये। सो लेट अस लुक इनटू, सपोज आपके पास 1 लाख रुपए है एंड यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड समवेयर which is making you grow your money at the rate of 8%, then थर्ड ईयर में उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा, फिफ्थ ईयर में इफेक्ट क्या होगा, 10th ईयर में क्या होगा, एंड 15th ईयर में क्या होगा, इसको हम देखेंगे। और देखने के बाद फ्रेंड्स, मैं यकीन दिलाता हूँ आपको कि मैं इसका प्रोसेस भी बताऊंगा, हाउ यू कैन ग्रो योर मनी एक्सपोनेंशियली हाई, and you will take boasting in your decision after looking into this video. So 8% पे अगर आप 1 लाख रुपए करोगे ना इन्वेस्ट, एंड इफ इट इज ग्रोइंग, इट इज 1.27, 1.49 and 2.21, 1.27, 1.49 and it is 2.21. एंड फ्रेंड्स, 15th ईयर की बात आपको बाद में बताता हूँ, क्यों, मैजिक रिसाइड्स देयर। ओके, सो अगर आपका मनी जो है 15% पे ग्रो कर रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल सेम 1 लाख, हाउ मच इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू, इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू 1.56, 2.09, 1.56, 2.09, and the third one is 4.36, 4.36. if the same amount is growing at the rate of 20%, how it is going to fetch you? And here the factor is approximately, it is 1.80, 2.65 and 7.04, right friends? And if it is growing at 24%, how much it is going to fetch you? 2.01, 3.20 and 10.28. Now please remember friends, ये 15th का मैं डिस्कशन अभी तक नहीं किया हूँ, but I am going to talk to you because that will be creating the logic and magic of the situation which I am going to talk to you. And thereafter 36% का भी मैं डिस्कस करूँगा आपसे. ये 36% is again going to create miracle in your brain, and your belief system will be developed by me. In due course of time I am going to have free webinar also. You can join by looking into the description box. Now friends, आप देखो यहाँ पे अगर 8% से ग्रो हो रहा है 10th ईयर में 2.21, whereas 15% just it is becoming 4.36, 20% से 7.04, whereas these figures are also alarmingly high figure. But then why I am talking this 10th year is because it has got compounding effect, and compounding effect becomes more miraculous when it is for the longer period. Warren Buffett generally बोला करता है कि if you think into longest period, you are going to create miracle in your life. So similarly here you should think, but I have not yet started this 15th year. Let me look into this 15th year figure also. So therefore friends, 15वें साल में जो है देखो ये 8% का रिजल्ट जो है आपको 3.28, 15% वाला रिजल्ट 9.10, 20% का रिजल्ट 18.60, 24% का रिजल्ट 32.90. नाउ पते की बात यह है कि when the year is increasing, the effect is increasing, and the effect is approximately more than 2 times, 1.5 times. And here, as the rate of interest is going up, as the rate of appreciation is going up, your effect is also going up by 3 times, 2.5 times, approximately. So this is the called magic and the logic of compounding. Please remember friends, longer the period, higher the rate of appreciation, better is the result, and the better is मतलब best result. क्यों बोले तो आपको कभी ख्वाब में भी नहीं सोच सकते कि your money is going to grow alarmingly high, exponentially high, unbelievably high. So my point of discussion here is how you can achieve this fiat, how you can achieve these things, and 1 lakh rupees can make you 33 lakhs in 15 years. Do you believe this? Perhaps nobody who is looking into this video will believe, but fact is that 8th wonder of the world, because wonderful things cannot be easily imagined and believed. So therefore friends, how you are going to achieve this, I am going to show you through investment in the market. I am an expert in the market. I have been dealing in the market for the last 22-23 years, and I have known, in my earlier video you must have seen the 5M I discussed about. There are millions of methods of making money from the market, and friends, really it is 100% achievable. With lot of authority I am telling you, it is 100% achievable. So those millions of methods of making money from the market I am going to discuss with you, and then in the second video continuation to this, I will be showing you how you can mint money like anything. If you have read that book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, in that book it has been explained by the author that poor people know how to work for money and rich people know how money works for them. And this is magic of compounding. Your money will be working for your benefit. So you have to learn certain skills, and you have to create your belief system in the mind, and with the skill and the belief system in the mind, your money can work for you miraculously very high, unbelievably very high, exponentially very high. So please listen to this, and please subscribe my channel, and ask your friends. Also share the video to your friends who can get lot of benefit, because friends, as I told you, helping other is helping the humanity and helping yourself. So therefore, send the video, click the video, touch the video like button, subscribe it, and please remember to listen my next video, which is going to come in 2-3 days. Thank you very much.